Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to zoom to selection in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a simple data. Suppose I want to zoom this particular data. So if you have a large data, you can zoom it easily. Suppose I want to zoom only this two cell. Okay, so I select here the two cell. Okay, then go to the view tab. In zoom group have a zoom to selection option. Just click on it and you can see only two cell is a zoom in full Excel area. Okay. I use here the Control Z. Again, I show you here. Now I select here the first row. Okay. So I select the heading with first row. Okay. Then again, I go to the zoom to selection option and just click on it. And you can see only the first row is a zoom. Okay. So entire sheet is showing only the first row heading here. Okay, I use here the Control Z again. Now I want to see the full data zoom here. So I select here the full data and click on the zoom to selection. And here you see data will zoom in the entire sheet. Okay, so if you working on small data, you can zoom it to full Excel sheet and you can work on it easily. Okay, and if you have a large data and if you want to zoom the particular row, particular column, you simply select it and click on the zoom to selection. Okay, to zoom and analyze your data. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.